Aloha friends, welcome back to another video. We got another Kiwi Co box sponsored by our loving grandma. Thanks grandma. Say thanks great grandma.
Thank you.
Alright, let's open it. Papa opened the last one, right? Open this.
I'm happy, Mom.
You gonna help me? Oh!
Ooh.
What's in here? What is inside? Don't feed the bear. Pictures. Look at the pictures. This is a cool book. Cool. I'll read that later. What's inside that box? Put it right here. Open that one. So this is koala crafts. You open it this way. And this one's called camping.
Kimberly.
Yeah. Right here. No. Wanna pull it?
Hi, Mommy.
There's different age ranges for these boxes that are subscription boxes. And I didn't know, but I guess my grandma, Bessie's great grandma, signed us up for it, which is really fun because it gives us something to do. Even taking the tape off is something to do. Right? Yeah. What could be in this box? Now we can open it. What is in here? Ooh, wow.
I'm green.
Wow.
I'm green too.
Oh, cool. Oh, hello, backpack. Backpack. Aww. What is in here? A little box? And a stick? And some paper? And another little hook? Yeah, see, they have all these different ages. So it's good for, like, you know, his age is 3 and getting me used to, and Andrew doing, like, oh, it's a little candle. Can't really see it. But we'll do it at nighttime, okay? But let's do this part right now. Okay, what are we supposed to do? Okay. Then you want to make it comes with a little crafts mix, so there's this little bear backpack and a little campfire, a little candle to pretend you're camping.
Go inside. Go inside. What? Put the wood inside.
Yeah.
Here. Mine. Mine.
Alright, let's put them in here first then.
Put them back.
Can we keep that out?
Go rubbish.
Alright, so which one do you want to do first? The fire?
Fire.
Okay.
Well, look at that. That's the
Can't really see the fire right now because it's light outside, so we'll have to film a little bit when it's dark. So that's the bottom part, right? Where's the directions? So this works? Nope. Where is it? Alright. So, you're gonna peel off. Wait. You gotta open this up.
Fire cat.
We need the stick. Where's the stick?
What's over
We need
here?
the stick, the rocks, the felt.
Sticker. Come on.
Those are like little marshmallows to put on your stick. Pretend. Until it pretends more. See? And a hot dog? Is that what this is? And pretend hot roasted hot dog. Yeah, so we make the fire.
Right.
We're supposed to use.
Marshmallow.
So you make a little hot dog on your stick. Or s'mores and it's like that. Okay.
What kind is that?
We're gonna put this one. Oh no! Okay. It's a little windy.
Look for marshmallow.
Oh no.
Why are the dick?
Fire. You put the fire right there.
What do we do here? Hi, what's that? Let's see if that's it. Look at this. That is stick.
Alright. Was this supposed to come with that?
Okay, with my easy.
Alright.
Take a smile.
Right? Right? Yeah.
4 days a week doing fucking laundry for everybody else. Everybody else's laundry but my fucking own.
Right?
That's what Michael thinks the laundry might stand in the house.
No.
No.
Yeah. Alright. So,
This.
you want to make the backpack now? Alright.
Make item me.
So, we made a little fire thing here.
Mama.
And you roast marshmallow.
Don't
Marshmallow. And you put it on the graham cracker. And you put some chocolate. And you roast this one. Roast. And put it right there. Good job. Yummy. You want to make a hot dog? Oh, get it extra crispy. It's a hot dog. Want a hot dog? Ooh. Alright, here is a hot dog one. Better. Oh, it's hot. Oh, hot. Put some ketchup and mustard. Oh, hot. Blow the fire.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
Alright, you want to put these little stickers on the fire? Here you go, babe. Alright, next is the backpack. It's a backpack. It's a little bear backpack. Ready? After you put these little nuts, so just put in some rocks. Wait, you want to put the rocks right here, babe? Put the rocks right here. Yeah, put this rock there. Can you put that rock?
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's Ticker? There's that.
Good
Yeah.
job. Alright. Uh-oh. The roaster's there. Okay. Now let's make this backpack. We're gonna make a little bear backpack. Okay? Alright. Okay. Alright, let's put the food in the backpack. And let's put the bear backpack together. Keep the fire right there. So you wanna do this now? You're gonna make the bear face. Oh, you turned the light off. Turn the light off. Yes. Alright. So you're gonna look like this. Okay?
That's fine.
Now we're gonna do the a little bear backpack. Alright. So you gotta take this one. And this piece right here. So this one goes right here. Wait. Wait, please stop. Please stop. You gotta make it look like a bear. See? So watch. You take this. Take this off. Take this off. Take this off. Here. Take this cookie part off. A little windy today, huh? Good job, you got it. Oh, gotta pick that up. Wait, no. Here we go. What? Alright. Oh, stuck to me. Where's this go? Yeah. Alright. Press it down. Press it down. It's a beautiful day today. There's a cardinal in the tree. See? See the birdie? The red birdie right there? Alright. Now, you're going to put his nose. Put his nose. His nose is on this part. I'm going to put the stick in there. And then this part. Alright. Yeah, hold on, babe. Hold on, please. Please hold on. Alright. Now you're going to put this one. Put this right here. Right there. Press it down. Push that down. Good job. Now, where's his nose? Where's his nose? And your eyes? Okay. Put your eyes on. Right there. Put it right there. No. No, please stop. Like that. See? Wait. Put it right there. You're stuck. Is that, where's it? Those are the ears. And the eyes. Where's his nose? Is his nose a black dot too? Right there. Alright, put it there. Right there. Good job. Push it down.
Look at that.
Oh, it's so cute, baby. Okay, now I need his ears. Let me put his ears on here.
Okay. It's okay.
Where you put his ears in?
Okay. In
Oh.
the ear.
Okay. Put his ears. Like this.
Mommy, the ears in the ear. Breathing.
Right there.
Breathing.
Aww. Uh-oh, it's stuck to me. Wait. Oh no, my finger. Oh no. Yep, like that. Hold on. Like this. Push. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
Oh,
Alright.
look at that.
Pack your fire in there.
Look at
Put your fire in there. And try it on. Ready? You're gonna go on the school bus. Oh, you're so cute. Wait. Come on, Matthew.
Come on, Mommy.
Thanks, Grandma. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, bye.